Women Constable Sunita Yadav was transferred hour after the son of Gujarat minister and his two friends were arrested for alleged violation of lockdown and night curfew order in Surat. This is the news of 2 or 3 day previous news. Here one constable has transferred for compliance of his rule and follow his order. Not only the lower official has transferred, but transfer has faced by the higher official in bureaucracy. The hierarchy of bureaucracy means the transfer prevail in hierarchy of bureaucracy. In this list, Ashok Khemka, Sanjeev Chaudhary, there are all known. The Ashok Khemka has transferred 53 times in 28 year of career. It's very high. In a single year, 2-time transfer. Welcome to Reality Realization. I am Ankit Sahu and today we are going to realize the reason of does democratic power leads ineffective bureaucratic function? And in democracy, the ultimate power lies on whose hand? Who has the ultimate power in democracy? Let's realize. First, in this realization, first we know the history of the list. In this list, the top one is Ashok Khemka, 53 times transfer. And the second, Sanjeev Chaudhary, 12-time transfer. The list has very long. In this list, one of the bureaucrats, she is Durga Singh Nakwal, who has also transferred. Sanjeev Chaudhary has said, report facing several harassment after exposing multiple scams. And the Ashok Khemka said, if you disobey the order of politician and higher bureaucracy, then you will transfer. If you try to release the scam of politician, if you try to solve the corruption case and eliminate and eradicate the corruption in bureaucratic system, then you will transfer. How this happened and where this happened? Let's Article 311 in Constitutions has vested the several power to bureaucracy. The unlimited power of appointment and remove procedure is handed on president. Means president has appointed and lastly president has also power to remove. But remove procedure is very lengthy and complicated. First, an inquiry is taken place for the IS officer. In this inquiry, several evidence has placed for alleging any IS officer. After inquiry or after proven the report has sent to the government, and after government consulting of UPSC, it forward the list to the president, and finally the president has removed. But in constitutions, the president act only the advice of Council of Minister. Means the ultimate power lies on the Council of Minister. But this procedure of removal is very strong and very lengthy and very complicated. So the politician does not go through this procedure and does not try to remove the bureaucrats. So they adopted a new rule to defunctionalize the aggressive bureaucrats. This rule is transfer. To prevent the repeated transfer, Supreme Court came with a landmark judgment in 2013 that is fixed minimum tenure of civil servant for effective work. After this landmark judgment, Department of Personnel and Training, that is DOPT, framed a rule in 2014. In compliance with the Supreme Court judgment, all India service now hold their post for at least 2 years, unless promoted or retired or sent on deputation outside the state or training beyond the 2 months. And if they transfer, the transfer has authorized the state civil service board hand, means the transfer is done by state civil service board. But in state civil service board, the head is principal secretary, and the principal secretary has power to transfer any IAS officer. For transferring IPS officer, the state civil service board head is DGP or home secretary. Who one of these has power to transfer IPS officer? For IFS officer, that is forest service, forest secretary, and principal chief conservator of forest. They have the power to transfer the bureaucrats and the all India service bureaucrats. All the many state has adopted such rule, and some has not adopted yet. After the adopt such rule, the politician and the politics has not compliance with such rule and transfer repeatedly to the bureaucrats. So, does democratic power in effective bureaucratic function in India? What is your view? But in democratic system, the ultimate power lies on the politician, because this is the democracy and they are elected through the people and the vote of people. So ultimate power lies on the politician. So what is your view on the democratic power leads to ineffective bureaucratic function? Please comment on this comment section.